Alright, everybody, what's up? It's your boy, Nate the Boss 6969, coming at you live through the power of Counter-Strike. Today, we're doing our first unboxing video. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it for my buddy D. He's been with me since the beginning, since I first started out. He's a legend. But first to get this ready, gonna blow out my candle. No, not yet. Gonna turn the lights out. Turn the lights out. We're gonna get really, really dark. See this candle right here? It's scented pine tree. Can you see smoke? Hell yeah. Alright. Today, we're gonna open probably this case, revolver case. If I get this revolver right here, the fade, I'm gonna give it to Tim. Tim loves the revolver, but I probably won't. Here's my little member. We kiss him for good luck, and we squeak him too. Listen. Shh. Shit. That's the good luck squeak. All right. Okay. Requires one key. Here we go. Authorize. Come on. Wow! We got Tech9 Avalanche. What? Hold on. Let's check this out. Oh my god. Oh my. Tech9's in the meta. Factory new. Can you fucking believe it, guys? Can you believe it? Wow. Replace for T-side, am I right? Oh my god. Wow. You know what? Now I'm feeling lucky. Let's open one more. But first, smash that subscribe button. Put a like on it. I don't know. This one looks cool. Oh yeah, let's buy one of these. Boom, baby. Come on. Give me something good to eat. Give me a knife. Come on, for deed, come on. Oh my god! We got it! We got factory new! Oh my god! Oh my... We did it, Reddit. Well, that's it. I think this one's worth like $70. Wow, it sold for $12 once. Wow, this is worth $2. Holy shit, this is actually, I made worth on this one. That's pretty woke. That deserves a dab. Alright guys, I'm glad you tuned into this one. Remember, thumbs up for the subscribe button and smash him. Smash Poochie. Goodbye, my beauties. It's good seeing you.